Yeah, good morning, students. Today, in chapter 2, migration, we will discuss about the different streams of migration. Migration, which are basically a two type. One is internal migration. This type of migration occur within the country, territorial boundaries. And external migration, or you can say international migration, is kind of migration which happen from one country to another. Under the internal migration, there are four streams of migration. There are four streams have been identified in internal migration. One is rural to urban, rural to rural, urban to rural, urban to urban. In rural to rural, there is a movement of people from rural area to rural area. It's from one village to another village. In India, during the 2001, out of 315 migrants enumerated on the basis of the last residence, in this 98 million people had changed their place of residence in the last 10 years. And out of this 98 million, 81 million were intra-state migrant. Intrastate migration happen with from one city to another city of the same state, and this stream is dominated by female migrant, and most of these were related to the marriages. Means rural to rural migration is dominated by female. Because most of the female, due to the matrimonial causes, they are migrating from their native village, parental village, to the in-law villages, and this is clearly predominated that female are in short distance migration in both rural to rural and urban to urban migration. Distribution of male and female migrant is different streams of intrastate and interstate migration, which have been presented here in this figure. This figure shows the intrastate migration by the place of last residence, which indicate migration streams during the last 10 year in 2001 census. In this you can see in rural to rural migration, this is the largest, and rural to rural migration female migrants are higher. The proportion of female migrants are higher. In rural to urban migration, intrastate female are dominated, but when you will come to interstate migration, which is by the place of last residence, this rural to urban migration have higher proportion, which indicate the migration streams during the last 10 years. Male are migrating from their own native village of their own native state to the cities of other states. Then next, in internal migration, you can see India have experienced immigration as well as emigration to and from the neighboring countries, especially when it's come to immigration. According to 2001 census, which shows that more than 5 million person migrated to India from other countries, and out of this 95 million, 5 million, 96% are from the neighboring countries. Bangladesh have the highest share, 3 million. Bangladeshis have been migrated to India. Pakistan, 0.9 million in migration. From Nepal, there is 0.5 million migration, right? And out of this, 0.16 million refugees are there, which belongs to Tibet, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, and Myanmar. When it's come to the emigration, emigration means the movement of people from one country to another. In emigration, it includes the people are moving from India to other countries. As far as emigration of India is concerned, there are 20 million people of Indian diaspora spread across the 10 countries of the world. 110 countries of the world. Sorry. And in this figure, you will find that here in immigration, this table shows about the immigration by last resident from the neighboring country. You will see that Bangladesh have the highest share, 59.8% of total migration in the country. It is following Pakistan, then Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there is a Tamil migrant, then Myanmar. Right? Thank you.